That's fine. I think I can see it. So we have 3 SA8s, right?
Yeah. Maybe we'll see a little better.
With the dual stack ports here.
Yeah. You can let the seat up if you want to.
All right. There we go. Powered by a Memphis
Mojo 2500.
Mojo 2500.
At 0.66.
Running at 0.66. Cool.
So I got my Voltron app back from Ben.
Oh,
I put
okay.
on classifieds the other day. So yeah, one of those old school 6 channels.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna clean it up.
Somebody will buy it.
Oh yeah. I haven't put on. I could put on the Memphis classifieds. It'll probably sell today, but I don't want to ship it. I want to try to get local.
I understand. You're risking the risk of damaging the amp anytime you ship something.
This USB takes a little while to read.
There's
a little thing on the back. You can lean it back.
Oh, I'm good.
There's one good thing about this. You still have plenty of room.
Yeah.
Back here with these 8s. It just takes a minute because I got one of those little subwoofer USBs and it's got like 15,000 songs on it. So.
Oh yeah, it takes a minute to read everything. Gotcha.
I'm about to go back and take a bunch of it that I don't listen to off.
Yeah. Okay.
That way it probably load up a bit faster. Because I don't need 4 weekend songs.
Right.
Still factory mids and highs. Just space right now.
Okay.
Still pretty fresh.
Yeah.
We can smell the glue.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Before count.